Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making the chili chicken which is in the Tangra Kolkata style, and this is exactly the copycat recipe of the Beijing restaurant which is in Tangra. So let's quickly get started, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So at first is the marination. I'm using the boneless chicken thighs which is cut in 1-inch cubes. Now cracking up 1 egg. Then I am adding corn flour or cornstarch. All the measurements are already there in the description box. Then adding salt as per your taste and the black pepper powder. After adding all the ingredients for the marination, I am going to quickly mix everything well and keep it aside for half an hour minimum. Now it's time to deep fry the chicken. I will be deep frying the chicken in small batches, you can see, so that it's not undercooked and the chicken pieces are nice and crispy from outside and inside it's soft. So I'm keeping the flame in medium to high and going to fry all the marinated chicken cubes in small batches. These fried chicken cubes, you can have it as is and it's really delicious. So I have fried all the chicken pieces in small batches, and look at it, it looks so nice and crispy. So now it's time to make the chili chicken. So in a pan, adding oil for cooking, then chopped garlic. After adding the chopped garlic, adding the slit green chilies and on medium flame, frying all of them together. Thereafter, adding sliced onions. Stir fry the sliced onions with all the other ingredients well until it turns light golden brown in color. Please don't overcook the onions. Once the onions are translucent, adding the soy sauce and the vinegar. All the measurements are there in the description box. I am adding some sugar, some salt as per your taste, and also ajjinamoto or MSG. This is completely optional. You can skip it if you don't want it. And that's it. Now stir fry all the ingredients together for 1 minute in medium flame. And then I am adding the fried chicken. I will be stir frying all the ingredients together so that the sauces are nicely coated in the fried chicken. Thereafter, I am going to make one slurry out of water and corn flour or cornstarch and add this slurry into the chicken. Once again, stir frying everything in low flame. I also added little bit of salt as per my taste once again. It's ready. The chili chicken Tangra Kolkata style is ready for you. Just see how simple. This chili chicken reminds me of my favorite restaurant Beijing. Do try this recipe out and let me know how was it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Show Me's World, and see you soon. Bye bye.